Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama. Yes, today is another skincare video. We are making this fluffy creamy body butter. Let me tell you, this is the most moisturizing body butter you have yet to try. Without further ado, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, join the family, and let's get started on this recipe. When I tell you this is the easiest body butter you ever made, believe me, the only ingredient we are using today, the only butter we are using today is shea butter. And as you can see, I am using unrefined raw shea butter. This is a straight from my village, okay? Please feel free to use any shea butter that you have at hand, either refined or unrefined. Both of them are fine. You just go ahead and cut it in little pieces to ease the melt down. And I am going to measure my shea butter just because you guys always asking me what is the quantity that you are making. So I will go ahead and list all that information inside the description box, along with all the products that I use today. So go ahead and refer to the description box about all the information on this video. So once our butter is all measured up and cut up, we are going to take this into a double boiler method to melt our butter. And you just boil water in low heat and you just place your butter on top of it and let it melt naturally. So guys, our butter is completely melted. Now it's time to add other oils along the way. The first oil I'm adding is carrot oil. There is a video on my channel on how you can make your own carrot oil at home, and I'm adding about 40 ml of carrot oil. The next oil I'm adding is papaya oil. There is also a video on my channel on how you can make your own papaya oil at home, so check out those videos and create your own oils. So I add about 40 ml of papaya oil as well, and you just go ahead and mix your oils together. So the next item we are adding is arrowroot powder. What arrowroot powder would do is to take away that greasy feeling that you might experience when you're using a butter. So this would take away that greasy feeling. So I added my powder, and I went ahead and I'm gonna mix my powder with my butter. Make sure it's all incorporated in there and mixed together well before I transfer this into a freezer to cool and solidify just halfway. So once all my ingredients are all mixed together, I put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes or so. And as you can see here, it's kind of half solid, half liquid, and it's still very liquid and very soft. And that's the consistency I am looking for, because I want my butter to be very, very light and fluffy and very soft as well. And the next thing you're doing is just take your hand mixer and you're gonna start mixing this until you get the fluffiness that you desire. So it has been about 10 minutes or so of me whipping this butter, and as you can see how airy and how fluffy this turns out, is really looking amazing. It's time to add our vitamin E oil. I also added vitamin C serum. At this point, you can add any fragrance oil that you want. I am adding lavender oil, and this is totally optional. You can add any fragrance oil for any fragrance that you desire to have with it. Once you're done adding those oils, you just need to go ahead and continue whipping your butter and just mix it all together. So guys, at this point our butter is ready. Just look how fluffy, creamy, just it looks like an ice cream, guys. It looks so good, and it's smelling really nice. It is ready, guys. Your butter is ready, and it's as simple as that. I am going to go ahead and list all the ingredients that I use in this video on inside the description box. Guys, if it is your first time here, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Join the family. In this channel, I do DIY videos on hair and skin. It is also a great way to support my channel, guys, and help me grow. So please go ahead and hit on that subscribe button. I will really appreciate it. If you also enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up as well. Share with your friends and family. So find yourself a nice container where you would like to put your butter and just enjoy it. It's ready to be enjoyed. This is for extra dry skin, and this is extra moisturizing, especially in those winter times. This will go a long way in moisturizing your skin and giving you that extra moisture that your skin needs in the winter time. My skin is already loving this butter. It just melts into your skin and just disappear. It goes inside your skin. It just moisturizes your skin. I have a very dry skin, and during winter I love my body butters. So guys, go ahead and give it a try if you have dry skin, and your skin will thank you. That is it for today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you appreciate it. Share with your friends and families, because you do not know who will benefit from this video. I really love you guys for being here, and please just go ahead and hit on that subscribe button, guys. Just join the family, help my channel grow. I really appreciate it. Until next time, guys, I will see you on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.